The refueling panel is installed in the right-hand main landing gear fairing. This panel allows you to control all refueling or defueling operations. You can refill the tanks through the single refueling connector. The connector is located on the rear part of the right-hand main landing gear fairing. The tanks can be refueled with a maximum pressure of 50 psi. From the refueling connector, the fuel flows to the refuel valves and then into pipes to diffusers, which allow the fuel to enter the tanks without surging. During automatic refueling, the tanks are filled simultaneously. Observe that refueling the aircraft with the right engine running in hotel mode is prohibited. Both tanks can also be refueled by gravity via a dedicated wing filler cap for each fuel tank. If the aircraft needs to be defueled, a maximum suction of 11 psi should be applied to the connector.